I don't think people understand the power of saying, I don't know. Let's dive in. Sadhguru says, what I know perfectly well. What I do not know, I just do not know. Sounds simple, right? That's because it is. Imagine this. You're in class, and the teacher asks a tough question. Instead of stressing, you shrug and say, I don't know. Yet. Embracing uncertainty opens doors to curiosity and growth. It's like being on a constant treasure hunt for knowledge. And guess what? It's okay not to have all the answers. Wisdom isn't about knowing everything. It's about being open to learn, grow, and discover. So what are you curious about today? Drop more in the comments and let's embrace the journey together. Follow at @IleaveMeJob, ask for more nuggets of wisdom. Remember, life's a learning adventure. Don't stress the unknown, embrace it.